Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best XL Squirrel Dog Toy on the market, the all-for-PAWS interactive dog Squirrel Plush Squeaky toy. This toy stands out for pet owners looking to provide their dogs with an engaging and interactive playtime experience that also taps into their natural instincts. The all-for-PAWS Squirrel toy is designed with realism in mind. It features a detailed and lifelike squirrel design, which is not only visually appealing but also ideal for stimulating your dog's hunting instincts in a safe and controlled way. The natural coloration and plush texture make it resemble a real squirrel, providing a familiar and exciting target for your furry friend to chase and play with. One of the key features of this toy is its built-in squeaker. This squeaker is embedded inside the plush squirrel to add an extra level of interaction and excitement. Dogs that love to chew and squeak will find this feature especially entertaining. Whether your dog is playing solo or engaging in a lively game of fetch, the squeaker ensures your pet stays engaged and mentally stimulated. Durability is always a major concern with dog toys, especially for those with energetic or stronger chewers. This toy is crafted from high-quality plush materials, designed to withstand a good amount of tugging, chewing, and tossing. While it's not intended for aggressive chewers, its durable construction means it can handle regular playful use and last longer than many typical plush toys. The size of the toy is perfect for larger dogs. Measuring approximately 8.6 inches in length and weighing just under 4 ounces, it's an ideal size for medium to large breeds to carry around comfortably. The toy's shape and size also make it easy to throw and fetch, promoting active play and helping your dog burn off excess energy. Another important aspect of this Squirrel Plush toy is its role in reducing boredom and encouraging curiosity. Dogs, especially puppies and young adults, can become restless without enough mental and physical stimulation. This toy provides an outlet for that energy through interactive play, which can help decrease destructive behaviors caused by boredom and keep your dog happy and healthy. From a pet owner's perspective, the all-for-PAWS interactive squirrel is a versatile addition to your dog's toy collection. It's great for indoor play, outdoor fetch sessions, or simply as a comforting plush companion. Its classic design and interactive features make it a well-rounded choice for anyone who wants to support their dog's natural behaviors while providing hours of fun. Overall, this toy combines engaging design, interactive features, and thoughtful construction into one appealing product. If you're searching for a large, interactive, and durable plush toy that mimics the thrill of the hunt, the all-for-PAWS Squirrel Dog Toy is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews on the best products for your pets. See you next time.